Hey guys, welcome to another Theory of Computation tutorial. We are starting with a new topic called regular expression. So this is just an introduction to that topic. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first question arises is what are regular expressions? So till now we have learned about machine-like languages like NFA and DFA. And what these languages showed us, it shows us what happens if you give a specific input over a specific state like this. So let's say you're in state A, you get input 0, you go to state B. You get input 1, you go to state A. Then in state B, you get input 0, you go to state C. You get input 1, you go to state A, and so on. So this is what our machine learning language explained or showed us. But what about your regular expression? What it does? It is actually just an algebraic representation of the same language. Okay. So what is regular expression? It is an algebraic representation of the same language. Okay. Now regular expressions offers us something that the machine languages do not. That is a declarative way to express the string we want to accept. Okay. So let's say you want to order something at a restaurant and the waiter comes to ask you, so what would you like to order? Are you going to show him a picture of the dishes that you want to order, or you're just going to list down the items? You're going to list down the items, right? So similarly, regular expression is a concise way of representing all the strings that are accepted by the language. Okay. So let's say we want to accept all the strings that are starting with 0 and ending with any number of ones. So let's say you are starting with 0 and then 1, then you got 0, 1, 1, then 0, 1, 1, 1, and so on. Okay. So all the strings that are starting with 0 and ending with, starting with 0 and followed by any number of ones, not necessarily ending, but followed by any number of ones. Okay. Now, how we are going to represent it in terms of our NFA? So let's say you got starting state A, correct? You get input 0, you go to state B. And state B is our final state because after 0 you get just a single 1 or any number of ones. We are okay with that. Okay. So this is our NFA representing, that is machine learning language representing this list of strings. Okay. What about regular expression? How you're going to represent the same language with regular expression? What you do is you write it R equal to, that is regular expression equal to, you have got, as we see, starting with 0, correct? You have got 1, 0 here and then followed by any number of ones. That is either it can be 1, 2, 3 or all the strings that have multiple number of ones or single number of ones also. Okay. So 0, then we have got 1 star. Okay. So this 1 star represents any number of ones. So this is how simple regular expression is. Okay. Now, what are the uses of regular expression? That is where it is used. So since regular expression offers a declarative way to express the string, it is mostly used in string search for search commands in web browsers. And it is also used in lexical analyzer generators. Okay. So I hope you got the basic concept. Now we'll look at an example to make sure that this concept stays in your mind. We'll look at an example. So let's say we are going to represent a language. Let's use different color. Let's use blue. Okay. And the language represents like this: 0, 1 star plus 1, 0 star. So this is the regular expression. What is the meaning of this? Okay. We'll understand. Okay. So as we know, we write R equal to, what is the meaning of this? It means that regular expression equal to, we have got 0, 1 star. Now we already looked at what is 0, 1 star. 0, 1 star means any string that has starting with 0 and followed by any number of ones. So like 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and so on. Okay. So it is representing all the strings that are starting with 0 and followed by any number of ones. And then we have got this plus. Now what is the meaning of this plus? Plus means it is an OR operator. OR operator. This plus is an OR operator. So any string that is either starting with 0 followed by any number of ones, or any string that is starting with 1 followed by any number of zeros. So 1, 0 star. So any string that is starting with 1 followed by any number of zeros. So 1, 0, then 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and so on. Okay. So that is the meaning of this 1, 0 star. So this is how we use regular expression to represent the language very concise form. Okay. So I hope you got this concept. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you very much.